Meet Hannah and Daniel. Seems like they have the same unfortunate fate. But one totally different decision can change the course of their lives forever. At Honda, we make sure that your car will go through all necessary repair procedures based on Honda Global Standards. Standard body alignment can prevent misalignment issues and uneven tires. MIG welding retains the metal strength of your car. The application of heat is more controlled here, which prevents the rust formation. Honda's dry sanding repair process is less prone to corrosion, blister, and peel-off paint. Honda uses standard tools for paint mixing, which prevents your car from paint cracking.
Paint booth with oven protects your car from dirt and moisture and guarantees proper curing and paint durability.
Honda offers brand new genuine parts specifically made for your car's needs. If properly maintained, your car's resale value may go up. Honda secures the overall condition of your car through a thorough inspection and quality control.
Looks good on the outside. How about on the inside?
If simple wiring can't be fixed, how can you entrust others to fix Honda's exclusive features like Honda Sensing? For your Honda car, we can assure you of
quality and standard repair, state-of-the-art tools and equipment,
advanced technology, highly skilled technicians and trained staff, genuine parts assurance, and lastly, the value for money is guaranteed.
Quality repair makes a lot of difference.
Repair with Honda.